Jungkook, there will be danger. It's better for you to stay at home. Jungkook said coldly with serious expression, but looks like Wine wasn't ready to agree. Wine, and who are you to tell me that I'm going and that's my final decision? Jungkook gritted his teeth, but Wine hit his last spot. Wine smirked and said to him, well, looks like Mafia King is not ready to protect this girl. Seems like he don't have that power. Jungkook glared at her, but then he smirked and said, just mention the name and in an hour that person will be on his knees in front of you, my queen. You don't know what I can do. You better not provoke me, love. Wine glared at him, including Liam, but things got settled down over there between them and they proceeded. Jungkook stood up, about to go, and before that he looked at Vine and winked at her secretly and left the place. When Jungkook was gone, Liam and Vine looked at each other and Liam said to her, it is dangerous to go with him, Vine. Both Leo and Jungkook are dangerous for you. You shouldn't have insisted to go with him. Vine, don't be sorry, Dad. I got this, and after all, I also have to learn something from that mafia king. Liam looked at Vine as she said that mockingly. Vine, I will keep an eye on him because I don't trust him at all. Saying that, Vine turned around and went from there. Liam shook his head, seeing Vine going away. He knew his daughter was stubborn, but still he had to stop her because it was dangerous and she is new. At John's house, so you got successful, huh? Jungkook nodded his head and sat on the couch. Jungkook, but now I have to be careful because Van will be with me. Tai smirked and said, then what's the plan? Jungkook looked at him and said, to win her heart by helping her father to gain her trust. Chai frowned and said, you could have done it by something else. Why Leo? Jungkook, because Leo was the only thing Liam is not capable of taking down, and I know Van will be in this mission. Tai, what if Liam didn't agree after all this? Jungkook nodded and tied coldly, and then said after a pause, Jungkook, then I will finish him. I will remove him from my path. Tai, what about Van? You think she will accept you after this? Jungkook, I am a mastermind. She will. There was a pause between them, and then Tai said, now what I have to do, Jungkook. Just take care of the security. I will go and will take down Leo's right hand tomorrow. Tai, will you inform Liam about this? Jungkook smirked and said, yes, I will, because I want Vine to come with me, which I know she will. After all, she have to put her eyes on me. Tai and Jungkook chuckled, and then they did planning. Tomorrow was the day when both King and Queen will work together. Next day went like that. Jungkook was driving the car and Vine was sitting beside him. A smile was plastered on his face, but she was wearing an arrogant expression on her face. She wanted to go alone, but Jungkook didn't let her, and they end up in a car together. Jungkook looked at her and smiled. Jungkook suddenly held her hand and put it on the gear. She flinched, but then she saw him putting his hands on it too. She glared at him and shook his hand, but he held it tightly. Vine, what is wrong with you? Leave my hand. Jungkook simply shook his head in denial and said, I have full rights to do that. In fact, I am on to some more. Vine frowned, but then in a second she found herself on his lap. When he pulled her there, she gasped and he chuckled. Jungkook, how are you feeling sitting on a place which you own? He said with a chuckle. Vine tried to move, but he caged her. her between his arms, both but holding the steering wheel. Swan, remove your hand, Jungkook, or else. Jungkook, go ahead, do whatever you want. I told you not to come, but you didn't listen. Now I will use my ways to make you stay with me, honey. Jungkook, I am for you. Soon they reached to their destiny. Jungkook opened the door and went out. He followed her, but warned her to stay with him. But that woman had promised herself not to listen to him at any cost. Holding the guns, they both came inside that abandoned building. Few guards were following them. They were here to finish the right hand of that Leo. One whispered to Jungkook, "Where is he?" "Jungkook must be waiting for us to come and finish them. Stupid, we have to find them. They can be anywhere." One glared at him and put her heels on his feet, making him stumble. "Why don't you dare to talk to me like that?" Jungkook was about to answer, but before that he heard gunshots, which got hit few of their guards. Leo right hand came and attacked them with their guards, and their fight started. Both Jungkook and Vine were taking down his all guards one by one. Jungkook was keeping an eye on Vine, and he was feeling proud while looking at her that how fearlessly she was facing them and how good trained she was. She had proven herself again that she is just his type. Fight was going on, but during that fight, one of the guards stabbed Vine in her arm, making her groan in pain. Jungkook saw that and he came towards her. He made her sit on the corner and checked her up and down. "Jungkook, are you okay?" Vine nodded her head, but she was in pain, which she wasn't showing. Jungkook gave her a handkerchief and asked her to wrap it around. He stood up and turned around. He glared at Leo's right man with his dark eyes and deep red eyes, like he was ready to take his soul out. Jungkook threw his gun and picked that knife. He started taking steps towards him. That man went back, but Jungkook attacked on his heart with that knife. When he stabbed him, he took out that knife again, and he again stabbed him multiple times. That man fell on the ground, and Jungkook sat on top of him, and he maniacally hit him continuously with that knife. He was finished, but the beast inside him was not done yet. He was torturing him still, like he was taking out his anger. That how dare this person could hurt her like that? No one to even see her in his presence, then how can he had those curses to hurt her like that? One thing Jungkook didn't knew was that Man was seeing him from behind. She was seeing his that side. Jungkook stopped and stood up. He threw the knife and came to Vine again. His eyes were cold and red. He held her hand and saw where she was hurt. He looked in her eyes only to find pain. His red eyes met with her soft and innocent one. Jungkook's attention went on her ankle, which was red and blue. He knew her foot was also hurt. Without giving her any chance, he picked her up in his arms and went towards the car, and surprisingly, she didn't protest it. Driving the car, she was sitting beside him. She looked at him, whose whole focus was on road, and he was angry. She saw how hard he was gripping on steering wheel. She decided to break the silence. When finally we did it. Jungkook didn't said anything to her. Fine. So what is next? This time he looked at her with his blood-red eyes, making her gulp, and he said, "Next is you are out of this mission," he said in his deep voice, making her irritate. "Why, no, I'm..." She got cut off and he hit the steering wheels and shouted, "I told you to stay out of this, didn't I? Now see what happened to you. Don't be so arrogant and listen to me. You are not coming with me again." Vine didn't say anything further because she knew he was very angry at this time. She stayed silent and he saw that. Jungkook took her at her place. Liam was worried for her that she got hurt like that. Jungkook doctor was treating her hand and told her not to use this hand for a few days. Jungkook told Liam that wine will not be the part of this anymore. Liam found his behavior weird. Surprisingly to them, Vine also got agreed because she saw that her father was worried for her and she didn't want it to make him worried more. Jungkook and Liam was okay with it. Jungkook took a last glance at her and then he left, but he didn't knew that although he was going, but he made a mark on her heart. She saw how he was worried and became mad for her protection, and how he tortured that man who hurt her. She had left felt something which she never felt for him or for anyone. Was it the starting of something in her heart? Lying on the bed, she was lost in her thoughts. What was the reason behind her deep sleep? Well, it was that person who was getting successful in what he wanted. He was John Jungkook. She was lost in his thoughts. She was thinking about him, how he behaved when the person stabbed on her arm. He was killing him like a maniac, and how he became angry when she told him that she will again go with him. How badly he was worried about her health. Did he seriously meant it? On the other hand, Leo was listening to his guards whole having a smirk on his face. His guard was telling him everything about Jungkook and how he killed his right man, Leo. So the Mafia King is in love and with his rival's daughter, huh? That is the reason behind Jungkook shaking hands with Liam. But yes, boss, the reason behind all of this is that girl, Van, Liam's daughter. Leo smirked and said, never knew that Mafia King will go on this track. Well, let him be. But the things he don't know is that I am waiting for him to show with Liam. Let's see how I will turn the tables for him. Leo had already got the news of Jungkook planning to attack on him with Liam, and he was already prepared for it. Something was going inside his mind. He was also planning against Jungkook and Liam just like they were. But the question is, was Jungkook ready for what is coming for him? Coming downstairs, Vine saw Jungkook, who was in living area. Both Liam and Jungkook were ready to leave for the mission. Jungkook looked at Vine and smirked slightly, making her roll her eyes. Vine looked at her dad, who was also going with Jungkook because she wasn't able to. She knew it was dangerous and the result could be in anyone's favor. She was scared of her dad, although he was a well trained mafia. But for her, Liam was her dad first. She came towards them, gaining their attention. Mine, so you guys are leaving. Before Liam could say anything, Jungkook said, how is your hand? Fine, enough. Healthy to point my gun on you, Jian, she said with a smirk, making him chuckle. Deep down, only she knew she was enjoying it. Liam, fine, everything is ready. You just need to come up with the security. We will leave now. Van nodded her head and said a goodbye with a laugh. Liam hugged her daughter and went forward. Jungkook turned towards Van and came a step closer. She was looking at him. Jungkook, where is my goodbye kiss and hug? Vine under my foot. Wanted? Jungkook chuckled, but then he looked at her when she said, Jungkook. Jungkook looked in her eyes and said softly, I am listening. He said and waited for her to say what she wanted. She gulped and said slowly, tell me that I can trust you with my dad. Tell me that he will be all right. She said softly, which Jungkook have never heard from her. She was soft and fragile that time, which he never wanted to be, and he was also shocked that she was talking to him like that. Without giving her the answer, Jungkook came forward and cupped her cheeks and smashed his lips on her and kissed her aggressively. She herself was shocked and processing. Before she could understand something, Jungkook broke the kiss and whispered in her ears, "Don't worry, everything will be fine. Just rest and come up with security on time. I trust you." Saying that, he turned around and left the place with his big steps. Van was looking at him going away. She closed her eyes and whispered to herself, "God, please help them. I want them back safe and sound, both of them." There was some going inside her mind and heart. She was feeling bad, but deep down she was trusting him. She was sure that Jungkook was doing this, but didn't know why. She came back in her bossy structure and said to guard, "Prepare the team. We will leave after half an hour to give them the security." As decided, she will go for them to give them support of guards and weapons. Inside the venue, there was a chaos. Everyone was fighting with each other. Liam, Tai, and Jungkook were with their guards, were busy fighting with Leo's guards. Leo was inside the basement, but to get there, they were clearing the way. Jungkook was keeping an eye on Liam also because now deep down he was worried that if something happened to him, then he won't be able to face Vine. Jungkook was all ready to finish Liam before as he was in his way to get Vine, but now he saw terror in her eyes from losing her dad. He became alert. When they were gulping inside the fighting, Tai shouted, "Tai, Jungkook, you and Liam go inside the basement and get that Leo. I will take care of her. Now go." Jungkook nodded and motioned Liam. Taking few guards, they went inside the basement and Tai was on ground floor fighting. Coming down there, they were met with many guards of Leo and slowly they were taking them down. Leo looked at Jungkook and Liam and he smirked and decided to play his part. Every man of Leo was down now. Leo, impressive, Jeon, very impressive. Never knew you were that mastermind. Liam and Jungkook looked at each other and then at Leo. Leo frowned that what was he saying and Liam was also listening to him. "Leo, never knew that you are that cunning that you decided to make this Liam fool and you got successful." Liam frowned. He felt danger there was, so he gripped his gun tightly. "Jungkook, what are you talking? Your time is up, Leo. Surrender or die." Liam nodded, but then Leo said, "Well, I would love to die, but before that, let me tell Liam how you made him fool by keeping your eye on his daughter." Liam frowned when he heard about his daughter, but he was losing his face color. That how Liam came to know he was having his eyes on one. Jungkook pointed his gun at Leo. Liam, do you have an idea why Jungkook shook his hands with you to go against me?" "Well, the answer is for your daughter. He wanted your daughter." Liam looked at JK. "Jungkook, your time is up, Leo. Stop barking." "Leo, come on, Jeon. Tell him how you were sneaking inside his daughter's room in the middle of the night, how badly you are obsessed with her. And you did all this drama to get her, and for that you have to decide to finish Liam as he is coming in middle." Jungkook gulped when he came to know that he and his plan was over. Liam looked at Jungkook and said, "What is he talking about? Leo, tell him everything, Jungkook. Come on, be a..." Before he could finish, Jungkook pressed the trigger and a bullet went inside his skull. Jungkook looked at Liam, who was glaring at Jungkook. Sweat was there on Jungkook's forehead. He knew all his friend was messed up, and that was making him crazy. Jungkook, our work is done. We should head back. Saying that, he turned around to go, but he heard the sound of gun loaded. He slowly turned around and saw Liam pointing his gun at Jungkook. Jungkook's guards became alert, and they all pointed their guns at Liam. Jungkook raised his hand to stop them. Jungkook, put your gun down, Liam. We are not enemies anymore. Liam, you are wrong, Jeon. You were keeping your eyes on my daughter. How can you do that? Jungkook, look, Liam, we can talk. Just lower your gun. Jungkook took a step towards him, but Liam said, before you could get your dirty hands on my daughter, I will finish you here, Jungkook. Jungkook's eyes darkened when he heard Liam. Liam, I will never allow you to even see my daughter. Jungkook, don't force me, Liam, to do what I never wanted. Put the gun down, damn it. Liam put his finger on the trigger, and Jungkook knew he would listen, so Jungkook also took out his gun and pointed at Liam. Jungkook, I'm warning you, Liam, don't come between me and Vine. Put your gun down and we are okay. Both Jungkook and Liam were glaring at each other. Both were ready to finish each other. Both were doing it for Vine. One for his daughter and another one for his love or obsession. No one knew it till now what was going inside his mind and heart, but one thing was sure, that he was ready to finish who come in between. Liam, I will never let that happen, Jungkook, never. Jungkook glared at him and said, you also didn't give me another choice. In the matter of fact, one pulled the trigger and the one was on the floor bleeding. Was it the end of Liam? Did he lost? And now Jungkook's paths was clear to get Vine, or it is Jungkook who was over now and their story was end before it could get started. Subscribe to my YouTube channel for the next part.